You know, there are so many things that you can do with these short animated videos. One of the things that I love to do is create these short videos by using some of these free tools about the positive reviews that your business gets. So I'm sure if you have a business, you're probably getting reviews on Facebook, Yelp, and other places. So you can create these awesome short videos of those reviews and then use it as marketing content. So let's take a look at an example. So here is one of our clients, and they got a really good review. Someone had a great experience at their location. And then here is everything that they said. So what we can do is create a short animated video of this review and then use it as a marketing content. So let's jump right into it. The app that I want to use this time, and it's the second app that I use to create these short videos, it's called Legend, and I believe it's available on both iOS and Android. So first thing that you would do inside this app is put your text. So I'm just gonna say great experience at Ventura TV. That's the name of that place. And again, I'm not copy pasting the whole review. You want to take the bite-sized content or text from the review. And now click on that button at the bottom, the image, and here are different options. You can take a picture, you can use your photos and videos, and then you can also search on Flickr. So let's go to Flickr, and I'm just gonna search for, let's see what comes up under business. Interesting stuff. Look at that. Let's just select this one right here. Then I'm gonna hit next, and now this is where the magic happens. So this tool takes the background that we selected and the text that we picked, and it's creating these amazing short video templates. Let's go to number 2. Look at that. How cool is that? Let's go to number 3. Amazing. How cool is that? So let's say you like this one right here, and then you can play with different text fonts and templates. There are a lot of different options that you can look at. Look at that. Now let's pick this one right here, and once you are happy with the text, the message, the background, click on more, and then you can save this video on your camera roll. That's it. And now let's go back and check. Here is the video that we created. Let's play it. How cool and simple is that? So the app that we used in this video, it's called Legend, and I believe it's available on both iOS and Android. So go ahead and use that app and create short animated videos to market your business, to spread your message online on different marketing channels.